Now real quick, if you want to see a typical review of this desk, links to that will be down below. This is a video I made about a year ago, so you can check that out. Here I'm just going to be talking about overall why you should get this desk and depend on your situation. Now this is actually the way I have it set up on a regular basis. Here is where I keep my headphones. Again, I do have a wired and wireless. This is the cup holder. I don't use it as much as I should, and you know, this is why I have some watermarks on my desk, is because, you know, I only use this when I get the big cup, when I got like, you know, coffee and tea and stuff like that. I normally put it on the desk, and that will create issues on the actual look of the desk because of the heat. These are the, I can't even talk right now. These are the speaker holders. You don't have to use these. You can actually not build it if you want. Everything is customizable, so you don't have to build everything. And that's one of the questions I got asked in my original video is, do you have to build a TV stand? And the answer is no. So if you want to do dual monitors, you actually don't have to build it. And you also don't have to build this right here. This is where you can actually put like your mobile devices. I actually keep my router and modem there. But you don't have to build that, so you can actually do dual monitors if that's what you want. But again, I only have one monitor, so I do have the TV stand and just put my Xbox One right under it. And it does have about an inch or two left in between, so it does fit very neatly in there. Can you fit two consoles? That's another question I got asked, and as you see, I have two consoles, my 360 and Xbox One. So it really depends on your situation. You could build it this way and have it set up this way as well. Your two controllers fit there. You actually could put a third one there, but I actually have my Astros 838s. These are Bluetooth headphones as well. Your games right there. And again, you do have a choice to build this or not. But again, if you're having this set up as a gaming setup, I don't know why you're not going to want to put your games where you can easily access them. So, yeah. Here you have a little drawer. As you see, I just have cables. And as you see the dust on this, oh my god. The PS Vita haven't been used like in 8 months since I put it in this desk pretty much. But again, you can keep wires, extra batteries, whatnot. You do have a power brick holder. So as you see, I have my Xbox One power brick, or what do they call that? And then the actual power brick to put all my wires. Again, you can manage the wires a lot better than I do. As I notice, I don't have it really managed. And again, I got my Mac, so you actually could put a laptop, have my mic, two consoles, a pair of headsets right back there, my Elgato, games, controller, all this, and still have enough space to like eat, you know, play, and whatnot. Now, all these little scarf marks is when I'm playing and shit happens, like, damn it, damn it. So that's what you see, all these little scarf marks. And the discoloring is just from wiping it down, putting hot plates on it, so it will kind of like almost like mess up the actual, you know, color of the desk. If you notice over here, there's really no discoloring after a year because I've barely put anything on this side. So as you see, you got watermarks. So it really depends on how you take care of it. But even with like the little wear and tear on it, this is a year of me using this every single day for the past 365 days roughly. So it's gonna have a little wear and tear. So like I said, you don't have to build everything. It's really up to you how you want to customize it, but as you see, you could fit a lot and it does not take up a lot of space. As you see right there. So again, I'm able to keep all my headphones that I own in one spot, my controllers, my games, consoles, my iPad. Of course, I also have those that I don't use and I was supposed to do a review on. They're not good, so that's why I haven't done a review on those. Little cup holder right here. You can actually move it around to your left or your right. So, really up to you. Like I said, everything's customizable. Now, this is not really no carbon fiber. It's just for look. It's similar to these headphones. It's just a filter thing they put on top of the wood to make it look this way. It has really no texture to it. It's just flat for the most part. It is hardwood. It's not cheap. It does have a decent amount of weight. Everything that's metal is actually very sturdy. You're not going to be able to bend it. It does have weight to it. So it really doesn't shake that much. I mean, you see it shaking, but if you're playing or if you're typing, You shouldn't have any problem with any kind of shaking. I don't use a carpet. As you can tell, it's actually not on my rug. This is more for my chair. But with the weight on it that this desk has, I don't see any problem where it should have issues if you do use a carpet. But again, not guaranteed. The TV stand holds, or I believe, is around 40 pounds. But it's also depending on the thickness of that little TV stand bottom thing holder. So if your TV has a really big one, it may create issues. As you see, this is only a 24-inch, and it's not that much space left. So it really depends on this little bottom thing on your monitor or TV. So the thinner it is, the easier to be able to hold a bigger TV. So if you have a wide monitor. And yeah, I mean, a year after buying this, I still have no regrets. It is an awesome buy for anybody that's looking for a nice computer gaming desk, a mixture of two. That's what I have it for, is for gaming. This is what I use for my computer, my multitasking with my tablet. So it really depends on how you're going to use it. And this is great, like I said, for somebody with a dorm or a smaller room as well. So highly recommend it. This is the Atlantic Gaming Desk. This is your boy Chris. Thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Alright guys, what is up? It is your boy Chris. Now real quick, if you want to see a typical review of this desk, links to that will be down below. This is a video I made about a year ago. So you can check that out. Here I'm just going to be talking about overall why you should get this desk and depend on your situation. Now this is actually the way I have it set up on a regular basis. Here is where I keep my headphones. Again, I do have a wired and wireless. This is the cup holder. I don't use it as much as I should, and this is why I have some watermarks on my desk, is because I only use this when I get the big cup